Namaste everyone. I am so much lucky to join this beautiful audience throughout the country and throughout the globe, I would say. Sureshji and Manishaji, I thank you so much for making me fortunate to join this group since two or last year, I would say. And at this moment, let me express my happiness to be the part of this great work of this NASA International Space App Challenge. I am so much very happy that you have provided the platform to the youngsters of the country to take part in this kind of hackathon where our youngsters can express or they can dig out their hidden talent through this kind of hackathon. And I was also, dreaming if I were a participant of this challenge back in my childhood. So you youngsters are so lucky that the technology, the recent innovative development in the technologies has made it possible for you to provide your participation in these kind of things. And NASU is so much, you are doing such a great job that the government should have done this kind of things, this kind of jobs, so that young mind could have been motivated for these kind of challenging works. So I thank NASU for your great work. And I feel lucky to be a part of this great work and also to be in your team. Always you provide me the opportunity to work in a way or another. Unfortunately, this time as a judge, I couldn't contribute as we didn't have any project from Sudur Paschim province. But what I can assure you that any kind of your programs, your activities in Sudur Paschim will be greatly supported to my best from my side. So please let me know if I can be of any support, any facilitations to implement your projects in this Sudur Paschim province. So I will also like to try to motivate the youngsters from this province so that from the next year you will not have any shortage of the participation from this province. But this year, unfortunately, we didn't have any. So once again, I would like to thank you very much for your for all the opportunity you provide to me, and I hope to work with you in the days to come, not only in Sudur Paschim but also at national level. And finally, I thank and I wish the happy Dasai to you all, the distinguished participants, and I also congratulate all the. I think the result is going to be disclosed in a moment. So I congratulate in advance all the winning participants. And I wish all you good luck so that your project is selected globally and your dreams come true in the future. Please work hard, keep on working, keep on giving us the innovative ideas. The nation building is in your shoulder, because your innovative ideas will lead the country in a better place. So you should always be innovative. You should also always have innovative thinking in every sector of your life. So I once again, whoever have participated, you already are the winners, and I wish you will continue your journey of innovation in the days to come too. Thank you so much. Namaste everyone. Happy Dasai once again.